Hi friends, welcome back to SS Engineers Group. Today we are going to discuss about onion dehydration plant.
Dehydration is the best way to preserve various forms of onion for future use. This involves drying or removing moisture from the onions. Dehydrated onions can be stored without refrigeration. SS Engineers and Consultants are providing the complete line of equipments for the manufacture of dehydrated onion.
Before we start, I request you to subscribe our YouTube channel SS Engineers by clicking the subscribe button mentioned below. SS Engineers and Consultants is a leader in fresh packing and cleaning equipment for fruits and vegetables. We have achieved this by relentlessly working to produce new and innovative machines, offering best customer service with the latest industrial manufacturing techniques. Food manufacturing and packing is never an easy job. It contains hundreds and thousands of tasks. But, with SS Engineers and Consultants, you can now make it the easiest way.
SS Engineers is one of the trusted dehydrated fruits and vegetables manufacturers in India. We can dehydrate vegetable and fruits such as fruits, orange, watermelon, banana, apricot, lychee, strawberry, blackberry, guava, mango, lemon, kiwi, grapes, jackfruit, pineapple, peach, coconut. Vegetables: tomato, onion, garlic, ginger, potato, chili, peas, pumpkin, mushroom, carrot, cabbage, beetroot, cauliflower, radish, brinjal. Onion dehydration plant.
Selection of raw material is very important for producing the best quality of dehydrating onion. The onions are sourced from direct farmers, analyzing the quality suitable for dehydration. Fresh onions are unloaded to the feeding area. From this point, the process of dehydration starts. The speed of the conveyor can be adjusted according to the food characteristics. The fresh onions are peeled and then washed with medicated water containing 10 ppm chlorine. Washed onions then sent for cutting through conveyor belt. The onion chips are loaded on the stainless steel dryer belts through the conveyor belt system. The automatic dryer belts ensure the required dehydration without affecting the taste of the onion. After the binary dryers, the material goes to air-conditioned rooms, wherein it is passed through huller machine to grade the material by size. The material after the first round of drying is sent for binary dryers to reduce the moisture content. Dehydration is the best way to preserve various forms of onion for future use. This involves drying or removing moisture from the onions. These onions are opted for an alternative to be fresh and used for the preparation of soups, sauces, gravies and various other dishes. The final product is then passed through an auto sortex and metal detector to ensure the desired quality product. The material is then sealed in airtight bags to preserve it properly. Secondary packing of corrugated boxes is provided on buyer's request. Storage of finished goods is very important in food products. We are very much conscious about the storage. Insect-free uncontrolled moisture place to be chosen to store the finished goods. Our stored goods are then ready for dispatch to buyers.
Process flowchart. Raw material. Feeding area. Peeling. Washing. Slicing. Drying. Grading. Temperature. Color sorting and metal detection. Weighing and packing. Storage and dispatch. Export. Dehydrated onions will keep for a long time and come in handy when a recipe calls for onions. It is used in fast food, snack foods, food service packs, stuffing mixes, pickled products, meat products, seafood products, recipes, canned foods, salad dressing, dips, bottle packs, seasoning, bakery topping, gourmet sauces, seasoning and many others as ingredients. Dehydrated onions are medically useful as an antiseptic and expectorant, healing wounds. Benefits of dehydrated onion. Onions are like garlic from the platypus and are rich in sulfur-containing compounds that are responsible for the salty smell and many of their health effects. The active medicinal substances in the onion are vitamin C for rotting and tonic and the substance cloquinine, which is like insulin-controlled blood sugar, so onions are using medicines for diabetics. And there is onion sulfur, iron, and vitamins strengthens the nerves. Some substances are diuretic, yellow, heart stimulants, blood circulation, and it contains yeast and enzymes used for the stomach and stimulants of the glands and hormones. It has been shown that onions have stronger antibiotics than penicillin, artemisinin, and sulfate. For this, it heals tuberculosis, syphilis, gonorrhea, and kills many dangerous germs. Many diseases treated by dried onions are hepatitis, asthma, pneumonia, prostate treatment, cancer, bruising and bruising, strength and activity, reproductive power, mental illness, rheumatism, treatment of fractures and pain relief, cancer sores, and many diseases. To keep watching our videos on our YouTube channel, and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. Keep watching SS Engineers and Consultants.
To know the establishment cost? Share your details in comment box.